If you use CapCut on your phone, tablet, and computer, one of the biggest time savers is learning how to sync your projects across devices. That way you can start editing on one device and keep working somewhere else without rebuilding everything from scratch. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sync CapCut projects across devices the right way, and I'll also cover the most important thing to check if your projects are not showing up. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first step is to make sure you are logged into the exact same CapCut account on every device. This part matters a lot because CapCut only syncs your cloud projects when the login method matches. So if you signed in with Google on your phone, you need to use Google on your PC too. If you used Apple, TikTok, or a CapCut ID, it has to be the same one everywhere. A lot of people think they are signed in, but they are actually using a different account on one device, and that is why their projects do not appear. On your computer, the easiest way to sign in is usually with QR code login. Open CapCut on PC, choose QR code login, and then scan it using the CapCut mobile app on your phone. This is usually the fastest and safest way to make sure both devices are connected to the same account. Once you are signed in, go back and double check that the account name or profile is identical on both devices. If it is not, sign out and log in again using the correct method before moving on. After that, open CapCut and head into Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Cloud Sync or Auto Sync option. Turn on Enable Auto Sync so CapCut can automatically upload and download your project data. This is the setting that keeps your projects updated across devices without you having to manually export and import files every time. If Auto Sync is turned off, your projects may stay only on the device where you edited them. So make sure this option is enabled before you start switching between devices. Once Cloud Sync is on, give CapCut a moment to upload your project. Depending on your internet speed and project size, it may take a little time for everything to update. If you have a large project with lots of clips, effects, or media files, be patient and keep the app open until syncing is finished. It also helps to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, especially when uploading bigger projects. Now, after sync is enabled, try opening CapCut on your second device and check your project list. If everything is set up correctly, your synced projects should appear there under the same account. If you do not see them right away, refresh the app, close it completely, and reopen it. In some cases, signing out and signing back in can also help force CapCut to reload the cloud library. Another important tip is to understand what CapCut syncs. In many cases, your project structure and edits can sync, but some locally stored media files may still need to be available on the second device. So if you use files that are only saved on one device, you may need to upload or transfer those assets as well. That is why using Cloud Sync together with consistent login is the key to a smooth workflow. If you regularly edit on more than one device, I recommend making it a habit to always sign in with the same method and keep AutoSync enabled. That way, your projects stay organized and you can move from mobile to desktop without losing momentum. And that's how to sync CapCut projects across devices in just a few simple steps. Make sure you log in with the same account everywhere. Use QR code login on PC if needed, and turn on Enable AutoSync inside Settings. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and easy walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.